I'm going to walk through making this green geode cup. I started with a Hogg 10-ounce shorty and sketched out where I wanted my lines to go. I covered that center line with a sagey green color and went over that with glitter from PDB called a eucalyptus. Then I grabbed some tack it and brushed on along the edge of the paint, let that dry, and pressed on some gold leaf. Next I grabbed some crystals and UV resin from Amazon and stuck those on there. Next I grabbed some glitter glue from Adhesive Apothecary and covered that with Glitzy from PDB. I went back to that green paint and covered it with some glitter from Peachy Olive Glitters called Adirondack. I used glitter glue and latte. Back to the glitter glue. This time I used thick glitter glue. I'm going to cover that up with Minty Sagey from PDB. Then I went in with the glitter glue again, and that final part covered it up with Pearl from PDB. Next I grabbed some binding potion to lock all those glitters into place. Went in with a layer of Liquid Art Elite from KS Resin and some shimmery pigment from PDB. Used some paint markers to highlight those lines. Added a couple more layers of resin and it was done.